Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about a very common plant which every gardener has or wants to keep. Yes, it is the lemon plant. But these lemon plants have some very common problems. So today in this video I'll be talking about those problems and giving a solution to each of them. The first common problem is that sometimes we notice that in our lemon plants there's a lot of flowers, but from those flowers there's no fruits. And even before the flower starts to fruit, the flower gets dry and sheds off. So what should be the solution to this problem? For the solution, you need to find out the reason why it's happening. And this could be due to three reasons. The reasons are underwatering, undernutrition, and lack of pollination. And do you know, it is not that hard to overcome these problems. You just need to take a little bit of special care of your plants. Like when it's the flowering season, you have to give a lot of nutrition. I will be telling you later in the video that what kind of nutrition you have to give to your plants. Also, watering is very important for these plants, especially when you have planted these plants into pots. Make sure you watered your plant evenly and thoroughly. And if you can, try to water them in early morning or at evening. But always keep in mind that the soil should not be soggy, as that could lead to overwatering, which can cause root rot. Now another problem your plants might get is that even after it flowers and fruits, the fruit size is very small. This could be due to 2 to 3 reasons. The first reason could be excessive fruiting of your plants. Because sometimes when your plants have too many fruits, it tends to drop some baby fruits as well. And this is not really a huge problem. This happens so that the other fruits get mature and healthy and big in size. This is actually a normal process and there's no need to think about it. But another reason for this could be overwatering or underwatering. That's why it is very important to only water when the topsoil is dry. Also try to water 2 times a day, once in the early morning and once in the evening, especially if you're planting your plants in a pot. And now the third problem is that even after the plant has fruits, the fruit size is not big. So we have to keep in mind that the reason for fruit drop or the reason for fruits not getting big in size is nutrition deficiency. Make sure to keep in mind that any fruiting plants needs potassium, calcium and magnesium. It also requires all kinds of micro and macronutrients. And to get all of these nutrients, you have to give compost to your plants. If you wish, you can also give eggshells and dry banana peels. Oh, and here's another tip for your plant. This plant may get diseases, so to avoid it, make sure that you give neem cake or just spray bioenzyme on the foliage. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. That's all. Bye bye.